Most contractors lose money every month because of one simple mistake. They make invoicing harder than it needs to be. Here's the truth no one tells you. The faster you send invoices, the faster you get paid. And the right invoicing app can make a huge difference. In this video, you'll discover the best invoicing apps for contractors in 2026, which ones are best for different types of businesses, and how to choose the right solution without paying for features you don't need. Let's get straight to the answer. If you're looking for a complete contractor management platform with built-in invoicing, Housecall Pro is one of the strongest options available today. It allows contractors to create estimates, convert them into invoices, accept payments, and manage customers from one place. For example, if Jake owns a small plumbing business, he can finish a job, send an invoice from his phone, and collect payment before leaving the customer's property. That's a simple win that improves cash flow immediately. But here's the problem. Not every contractor needs a full field service management platform. This is where most people fail. They pay for scheduling, dispatching, marketing, and reporting tools when they only need invoicing. If invoicing is your primary focus, QuickBooks remains one of the most popular choices in 2026. It combines invoicing, expense tracking, accounting, and financial reporting. For many contractors, having invoicing and bookkeeping under one roof simplifies daily operations. Now here's where it gets interesting. Sometimes the cheapest app ends up costing the most. Imagine Alex sends invoices manually and spends just 20 extra minutes per day chasing paperwork. Over a year, that's dozens of hours lost. The right software often pays for itself through efficiency alone. Another strong option is Jobber. Many contractors appreciate its balance of invoicing, scheduling, customer communication, and payment collection. It's particularly popular among service-based businesses that want simplicity without sacrificing important features. In a minute, I'll show you the easiest way to choose between these options. First, identify your biggest challenge. Is it creating invoices, collecting payments, tracking expenses, or managing customers? If accounting is your top priority, QuickBooks may be the better fit. If you're looking for an all-in-one contractor solution, Housecall Pro or Jobber could make more sense. But here's another mistake many business owners make. They focus only on monthly subscription costs. What really matters is how quickly the software helps you invoice customers and get paid. Now, here's the key takeaway. The best invoicing app isn't the same for everyone. Housecall Pro works well for contractors who want a complete business management platform. QuickBooks remains a top choice for accounting-focused businesses. Jobber offers an excellent middle ground for service contractors. Choose the app that removes friction from your workflow and helps you get paid faster. If this video helped you find the right invoicing solution, hit the like button, subscribe for more contractor software reviews, and let us know in the comments which invoicing app you're considering for 2026.